This dance is called Jealous of the Sun. It's a 32 count, full wall, improver level line dance. Starting on the right foot, you're going to step the right to the side, cross rock left over right, recovering your weight back on that right. Chassé to the left with a quarter turn on the end, side close, quarter turn. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself half a turn to the left, chassé to the right, but going for a further quarter turn left on to start with, turn, close, side. That set of steps once more then. Side cross rock up on the right. 7, 8, side, cross, rock, chassé, turn, step, pivot, turn, chassé. So we are doing the equivalent of a full turn in this very first section. So quarter turn at the end of your first chassé, you pivot half and then a further quarter of a turn. Should you need to try and take those turns out, what you can actually do, start the same as everybody else with your side cross rock. Then simply chassé to the left, don't turn, cross rock right over left, recover your weight on the left, and then chassé back to the right. So non-turning steps, should you need to take that equivalent full turn out in that very first section. Cross the left behind the right, step the right to the side. Shuffle forward on that left. Make a small step to the side on the right as you sway right, sway left, then shuffle forward on that right. That set of steps once more then, behind, side, up on the left. 7, 8, behind, side, left shuffle, sway, sway, right shuffle. Let's add that to the top. Side cross rock off on the right. 7, 8, side, cross, rock, chassé, turn, step, pivot, turn, chassé, behind, side, left shuffle, sway, sway, right shuffle. You're going to rock forward on the left, recover your weight on that right. Chassé to the left and make it a quarter turn left to start with, so you do that turn, close, side. You're then going to cross the right over the left, step the left to the side, and add on a sailor quarter turn, stepping forward at the end, behind, side, step. That set of steps once more then. Forward rock on the left. 7, 8, forward rock, turn, chassé, cross, side, sailor, turn. Let's add that to the top. Side cross rock off on the right. 7, 8, side, cross, rock, chassé, turn, step, pivot, turn, chassé, behind, side, left shuffle, sway, sway, right shuffle, forward rock, turn, chassé, cross, side, sailor, turn. Step forward on the left, step forward on the right, pivot half a turn to the left. Make a further quarter of a turn to the left as you step that right to the side, step the left beside the right, right in place, step the left to the side, step the right beside the left, step the left in place. That set of steps once more. Stepping forward on the left. 7, 8, step, step, pivot, turn, close, close, side, close, close. So those close, close steps are actually done on the 6 and the 8 and counts. Now you have got the equivalent of a 3/4 of a turn in this section when you do that step, pivot half and then that further quarter of a turn. Should you need to try and take that out, what you can actually do, step forward on the left the same as everybody else, and then just rock forward and recover rather than doing your step pivot, then turn a quarter turn to the right instead of turning left, As you step that right to the side, you're back the same as everybody else. Close, close, side, close, close. So non-turning steps, should you need to try and take that 3/4 of the turn out from that section. So it is the end of the dance. When we get to that point, let's put it all together. Side cross rock off on the right. 7, 8, side, cross, rock, chassé, turn, step, pivot, turn, chassé, behind, side, left shuffle, sway, sway, right shuffle, forward rock, turn, chassé, cross, side, sailor, turn, step, step, pivot, turn, close, close, side, close, close. As you dance, I'll now go through it with the counts. Side cross rock off on the right. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and. So hopefully you get a feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance. Let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Side cross rock off on the right. 7, 8, side cross rock, chassé, turn, step, pivot, turn, chassé, behind, side, left shuffle, sway, sway, right shuffle, forward rock, turn, chassé, cross, side, sailor, turn, step, step, pivot, turn, close, close, side, cross, rock, chassé, turn, step, pivot, turn, chassé, behind, side, left shuffle, sway, sway, right shuffle, forward rock, turn, chassé, cross, side, sailor, turn, step, step, pivot, turn, close, close, side, cross, rock, chassé, turn, step, pivot, turn, chassé, behind, side, left shuffle, sway, sway, right shuffle, forward rock, turn, chassé, cross, side, sailor, turn, step, step, pivot, turn, close, close, side, close, close. So hopefully you managed to follow that. So that is it. That is your dance and your walkthrough. Now this is one of those tracks I cannot count you in. You have to start on the word late. So I think the artist sings, you can count on a late night call, something like that, and you start on the word late. Let's give it a go to the music.
I can count on late
Side, cross, rock, chassé, turn, step, pivot, turn, chassé, behind, side, left shuffle, sway, sway, right shuffle, forward rock, turn, chassé, cross, side, sailor, turn, step, step, pivot, turn, close to side, cross, rock, chassé, turn, step, pivot, turn, chassé, behind, side, left shuffle, sway, sway, right shuffle, forward rock, turn, chassé, cross, side, sailor, turn, step, step, pivot, turn, close to side, cross, rock, chassé, turn, step, pivot, turn, chassé, behind, side, left shuffle, sway, sway, right shuffle, forward rock, turn, chassé, cross, side, sailor, turn, step, step, pivot, turn, close, side, cross, rock, chassé, turn, step, pivot, turn, chassé, right side, left shuffle, sway, sway, right shuffle, forward rock, turn, chassé, cross, side, sailor, turn, step, step, pivot, turn, close, side, cross, rock,
Is it something that I
behind, side,
came out just another part
forward rock,
Will you show me it look easy, baby?
step,
'Cause you're
side,
missing you again.
Step. Side cross rock. Behind side. Forward rock. Step. Side cross rock. Behind side. Forward rock. Step.
Girl, I bet the blue eyes brighten up under the blue skies. I'll still be here alone again, missing you again. Beside you I never seen. Yeah, I'm sure that it's a sight to see. 'Cause when the morning comes, when you're back on the run, I'm jealous of the sun. When the morning comes and you're back on the run, I'll be jealous of the sun.
Hope you managed that one.